Hey, it's David here, the CEO and founder of the Freedom Founders Mastermind community. Let's talk a little bit about your responsibility for your future financial orchestration. Wall Street and the traditionalists on Wall Street sell a lot of products, and they tell you that the complexity of dealing with your financial future is too much unless that's your game, unless you have an education or you have experience in finance. They say just give us the money, put it in a lockbox like a 401k or tax deferred vehicle. We'll take care of it for you. And then when you want to retire someday, we'll have it there, your nice nest egg ready for you. Sounds great in theory. Does it work? It does not work. It's a means to an end of a life of hard work and average returns and really an average end of life lifestyle, which is not what you signed up for. What are you responsible for? I say you're not responsible for going out and finding the best investments, whatever they may be. You don't have that capability. You don't have that time. You don't have that element. But what you are responsible for is actually deciding what is going to fit your model. Now, how do you do that? Well, you've got to do a little bit of study there. In Freedom Founders, we work really hard on developing asset investment classes that provide cash flow. Real estate. I mean, to me, it's the best there is, but there's other ways to do it. Whatever your model is, you've got to take the financial responsibility to go forth and study enough to understand which ones are going to fit for your model. You've got to orchestrate that. You want a team around you. You want people that can find you products and bring you the asset classes that make sense for you, but you've got to make the decision. If you abdicate the entire thing to someone else, you get the results you deserve. It's up to you. You've got to make a change. Don't think or don't let someone tell you it's too complicated. You're smart enough. You've got to where you are today because you're smart and you work hard. It's not out of your league to at least understand the principles of what's going to get you to freedom sooner and not later. Remember, it's your freedom. Always stay focused on that.